Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are continuously turn up the field with plough. This is the traditional method to plough, to sow the seed of wheat in Nepal, and we are ploughing the field. We're ploughing field with oxen and with the traditional plough and the yoke, the traditional yoke in Nepal. You turn the ox, saying hori in Nepali. There are lumps, so you have to break the lumps and make plain. This is the way of sowing seeds in our field in Nepal. यसरी साथीहरु हामी परम्परागत तरिकाले जोत्ने गरिन्छ। यो डल्लाहरु छन्। यहाँ चाहिँ यसरी हाम्रा नानी बाबुहरुले डल्ला फोरिराखेका छन्। यो फोरेन भनेदेखि यसले चाहिँ बिउ उम्रिन दिदैन, थिचेर राख्दिन्छ अनि त्यसपछि राम्रो गहुँ उम्रिदैन। त्यसकारणले गर्दाखेरि यसलाई मसिनो पार्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। टन्नै डल्लाहरु छन्। Like this, guys. Yeta. Agadi हैन बसेर। हैला।
Hello.
मामा।
माथि जाऊ माथि।
माथि
जाऊ माथि।